Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how I actually took my maternity photos at home. I really wanted amazing maternity photos and I had my mind set on actually having professional photos done. But with this whole pandemic that's going around, that completely changed everything. And I knew if I set up my maternity shoot, it probably would have been canceled based on everything that was going on. So I actually did it at home by myself with the amazing help of my husband, because he's the one that takes most of my pictures anyways. But if you have a phone and a tripod, you can do this by yourself. You don't have to suffer, because I know a lot of women are not able to have their baby shower, their maternity shoot, their gender reveal, and it's very sad and it's a very difficult time, especially now for pregnant women, when you're supposed to be happy and excited and sharing with family and friends everything that's happening. This just put a damper on it. But before we get into that, I want to say thank you to every single person that purchased something from our registry. Quite frankly, I didn't expect a lot of things to be purchased on our registry. So when I saw that over 30 presents were bought, I was floored. I was literally floored. Plus, I was a little bit anxious about putting my registry out there, just because I don't like the mix up on Blender, especially where it comes to my children. May get very dark, okay, when it comes on to my kids. But that's neither here nor there. Thank you guys to everybody that supported us and bought something. We actually scheduled our virtual baby shower, and it's going to be on May 10th from 4 to 5 p.m. Even if we go over the 5 p.m., that's completely fine. But it's on May 10th, which is Mother's Day. And it's completely coincidental, because I didn't know it was Mother's Day when I picked that date until after. So if you want to come chill with us on Mother's Day and watch us open presents and stuff, come be our guest. So let's get into the making of this video. So I was focused on getting my maternity pictures done by any means necessary. So I want to show you guys the background of how I got my amazing maternity photos, because they actually turned out amazing, way better than expected. So when I found out I was pregnant, I started saving photographs of ideas that I wanted to do for my maternity pictures, like kind of like inspiration and stuff. And these are some of the photos of that. So from this video clip, you can see that all I had as my backdrop was literally a blanket. The white thing that's over my face is actually a curtain, and the black piece that's around my buttocks area is also a curtain. I actually used what I had because I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money. And if you go to Joann's Fabric and you get some sheer fabric, it's probably gonna run you like $30 or $40. But if you buy a curtain from Walmart or something, it's probably gonna run you $4 to $5. So I wanted to save money and also be innovative and creative. And as you can see, I use tape to tape it up. And as far as the backdrop is concerned, as far as the comforter is concerned, or sheet that I use for the backdrop, all I did was use thumbtacks and stick it in the wall. We actually use softbox lighting, but if you don't have a softbox, just make sure you have an area in your house that's well lit or have a big window. Soft boxes are not that expensive, and I've had my soft box for a very long time. And even if you're going to invest in a soft box or ring light, it's gonna run you less than the money that you would pay to get your photos professionally done. Also here you can see a inspiration picture of what I wanted my husband to take of me and how I wanted it to look, not exactly like, but just an inspiration of. As you can see, Kai Kai was there, and in everything as usual. If you're not like me and you don't have someone to actually take your pictures, you can use self timer on your phone, and you can buy an attachment to a tripod and attach that your phone to the tripod and take your pictures with your back camera, and I'm sure it'll come out great also. So these are some of the finished edited pictures that I actually posted on social media of this segment of my maternity shoot. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see way more pictures than this, but I wanted to give you guys a feel of what my photos look like after I edit them and upload them and all of that. And also, if you want to change the backdrop, you can use a different sheet, a different color, probably white or pink or whatever the theme you were doing, just to switch it up a bit. Then this one that we did, it was the longest because I had a specific feel, I had specific ideas that I wanted to recreate and capture. So this one kind of took us a long time, and as you can see, I wanted my outfit, or this sheer fabric that I'm using, to actually look like it's floating in the air. And we had a fan there. As you can see, these are some of my inspiration on the screen. Also, we had a fan there, but the fan wasn't doing anything. It's not a big fan, so it wasn't doing as much as I needed it to do. So I had to put in the work to get the shots myself, and that's neither here nor there. I completely enjoyed the process because the final process was amazing. And this piece of fabric that I have is actually from Joann's Fabric, and this is just a 5 yards of sheer pink fabric that I use for this set of photographs. In the next few pictures, you're going to see what the pictures look like when they were taken, with no filter, no changes, no nothing. And then what you're seeing now on your right side is actually me editing the pictures and how they look after I edit them and post them to social media and stuff. If you want a video tutorial on how I actually edited those pictures, leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll do that for you guys, because I didn't do much. It was quite easy. Or if you take your pictures at home, you can have them sent to a photographer and have them professionally edited if that's something you would like. So for this round of pictures, all I wanted was like kind of sexy African vibe. So I added some of my ultrasound pictures of both baby M and Makai, the new baby, and Makai on either side. And I have both Makai and the new baby's little teddy bear with their heartbeats on both sides of me, and also 2 white balloons. But as you can see, my little son took away one of my balloons. And as far as outfit goes, my head wrap is actually a shirt I bought at a flea market from a very long time ago. My earrings are from Joann's. My bra is from Victoria's Secret. Also, my panties are from Victoria. I've had that shirt since I was pregnant with Kai. It was actually for a photo shoot that I was supposed to do with Kai, but never got around to doing. So that is how I achieved those photographs, and I'll show you guys some finished products of these photographs because they actually came out amazing. Babe actually want to frame these particular ones and post them up in the house because they came out absolutely amazing. Like, I have no complaints whatsoever. So in these photograph, it was the end of the photo shoot. All I have on is some clear Perpex heels from Ego, and my dress is actually from Fashion Nova. I slapped on one of my wigs that I made. It was actually a frontal and I made it into a wig myself. And as far as props are concerned, those are just some $1 balloons from the Dollar Tree that one of them popped and the confetti got all over the floor, so I just left it. And that's all that right there. By this time I was actually over it. I was tired, I was hungry because we have been taking pictures for so long, but these pictures came out amazing. Also, I haven't edited these pictures yet, so if you guys want an editing tutorial or editing video to show you guys my tips and tricks, please tell me down below because I'll do that for you. And true story, I wasn't the one that broke this chair. This chair was actually broken, and when we finished taking these pictures and started looking at them, we realized that the chair was broken, and I was not about to retake them because I was already over it. But yes, thank you guys for watching. This is how I actually did my maternity shoot at home by myself during quarantine. I hope it helps somebody. I hope somebody draws some inspiration from it. Even if you're not pregnant and you just want to take some pictures, you can do it at home by yourself, and it doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg or any of that. And don't worry, I know you guys are gonna ask me for commentary videos. They are coming. I'm not gonna give you guys any excuses as to why I haven't been uploading, but commentary videos are coming. The whole Jodian thing, God. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.